everyone, in this video we are going to solve some of the questions which is related to your coded inequalities. Let's see the question one by one. Yeah, in this statements there are three types of statements, and your first statement is C less than L less than or equal to M is equal to E less than or equal to X less than I. So now the second statement, third statement, your conclusions will be given here. Your first conclusion is L less than or equal to H. L less than or equal to H is, so here first statement having L, C less than L less than or equal to M slash E less than or equal to X, X less than I, and L is available in this first statement and H is available in your second statement. So here J equal to X, J slash X less than H less than or equal to S less than or equal to V greater than N. So L less than or equal to H. So here L and H by means of common term. Which is common term here? X is common term. So L is less than or equal to M is less than or equal to X. X is less than H. So I can take, so here L is less than H. So hence the first conclusion is wrong. So now S less than M. Where is S? S is here. Where is M? M is available here. So by means of connecting X term, so M is less than or equal to X. X is less than I. X. X is less than H. H is less than or equal to S. Hence M is less than S, or else S is greater than M. So hence the second conclusion is wrong. And your third conclusion, J is less than Z. Where is J here? J. And where is Z here? Is Z is available. Which value is common? V. So here J less than H, H less than or equal to S less than or equal to V greater than N. Sorry, V is less than T, or we can either use Z also. So instead of T is equal to Z, Z is equal to W, we can use Z. So V less than Z. Now your question, J less than Z. So J, what is the common symbol between J and Z? J is less than Z. Your answer is option 3 is the correct. Only conclusion 3 follows. We'll move on to your next question. Here, what is your conclusion? D less than L. D is equal to L. Where is D is occurs? First statement, first of all. And where is L occurs? Your second statement. Which value is common here? E. So here D is less than or equal to E. So instead of N we can use E also. So now the E is less than or equal to L. So according to this question, what is the relationship between D and L? D is less than or equal to L. So either I can write D is equal to L and D is less than L. Either 1 or 2 or follows. So conclusion D is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Here there are 3 statements given in the question. T less than O, S greater than K. Here I can take T is less than or equal to K. Now K is less than or equal to Q. Q is started in your second statement by means of connecting the common term Q, V, two variables. Then only I can compare with O. So here Q is less than H, H is less than or equal to S, less than or equal to V, V is less than O. So here T and O, what is the common symbols are here? So less than, T is less than O. Hence first conclusion is right. And your second conclusion, so S greater than K. Where is K is available? Here. Where is S is available? Second statement, here K is available. So K and S means, which one is common? Q. So I can write K is less than or equal to Q. Q is less than Q less than H. And H is less than or equal to S. I can write. What is the common symbols are here? K less than S. Now I can write it as S greater than K. Hence, your conclusion 2 also correct. Your option is both C and that is conclusion 1 and 2 follows. We'll move on to your next question. So here, first, there are three statements. So the first statement indicates H is equal to I less than J. So H is, I can use H instead of I. So both are same, less than J. So I less than K greater than L greater than or equal to M. So L greater than F less than or equal to S less than T. Now your first conclusion, H greater than M. H greater than M. So where is H is available? This. Now the H is, instead of I can use H. So H is greater than M. So for second statement, instead of I can use H. H is greater than L, L is greater than M. Hence, so H is greater than M. This one is right. And yeah, second conclusion. So what is K greater than S? Which is common term here? L. So K greater than L. And L is greater than F. F is less than or equal to S. Is there any common symbols between K and S? No. So hence your answer is, it is wrong. First one is right. Only conclusion 1 follows. We'll move on to your next question. Here there are three types of statements given here, and conclusion C less than or equal to L. Where is C is available? Here C is available. C less than or equal to L. Here C also available and here L is available. So by means of connecting C and L, F is the common term. So I can use C less than F. So I can connect E or F. C less than F, F is less than K, K less than or equal to L. So here C less than or equal to L. Hence your option is less than only na. So it is wrong. Now we are going to take D less than E, D less than E. So there is the one term C is equal to D. Wherever I can see the variable C, I can use instead of D. If I want to need the C means I can use instead of D for C instead of C for D. So here the second statement, C less than E slash F greater than G greater than or equal to H. I want to compare D and E. Instead of C, I can able to use D variable. D is less than E. Hence your answer is correct. Option 2 is the correct answer. Only conclusion 2 is true according to this question. In this video, as we discuss some of the questions, which is the different types of statements which having the 2 or more statements. While connecting the statements, we must have the common term. That's all. Thank you for watching.